Based in Chilton, Wisconsin, DVO is the largest provider of anaerobic digesters in North America. DVO digesters process more agricultural waste than any other biogas company globally. Its first digester became operational in 2001 on a dairy in Wisconsin. It still operates today. DVO's unique and patented anaerobic digester delivers an unmatched ROI for its customers. It does so by producing the highest amount of biogas per ton of input.
Our biogas production per animal unit or per pound of volatile solids far exceeds the industry. There's a lot of data out there that will tell you that that is true. And by doing that, we have more revenue for the farmer or for the investor or whoever, simply because we produce more biogas.
This is the DVO two-stage linear vortex system. It both heats and mixes manure and other organic waste for thorough digestion. This process maximizes biogas production and improves overall efficiency. All waste is processed for the same amount of time and temperature, and nothing leaves the vessel early or stays in longer than necessary.
One of the other reasons I chose them is the design. Basically, first manure in is the first manure out, and I like that better than the other designs like the tank mix systems or the lagoons, cover lagoons, which is also like a mix system, where the last stuff you put in is mixed with stuff that's been there for months. And it's a very inefficient system, where this one, it's completely digested. You get total production out of it that you can. And to me, it makes the most sense, you know.
When manure and other organic material is fully digested, end products can be immediately utilized. Odors and pathogens are destroyed, and no further treatment is needed. Clover Hill Dairy has utilized a DVO digester on their dairy near Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, since 2005.
Can't imagine dairying without a digester, and we've talked about that as a family. It's very important to us. We just feel it's really good for our public relations, our environment, and we wouldn't even consider dairying without it.
DVO digesters transform what would otherwise be potentially harmful biological waste into useful products. The digestion process delivers products that build soil health, grow healthier crops, and reduce the carbon footprint.
We all agree that it's a great thing to have on our farm. Manure is an excellent tool for us, but it can be, if it's not used properly, it can be environmentally hazardous. So, I mean, anything we can do to safeten up that process on my end is a big plus. I feel much better about the product we're putting out there because of the digester.
DVO digesters put Renewables to work by delivering a host of other environmental benefits as well.
This project has also helped on mitigating, and improving our water quality and air quality.
DVO digesters serve a bigger role for the dairies by also helping them process cow manure into highly desirable byproducts for the farm. One product is a high-quality bedding.
Cow comfort is number one. The cow is not going to produce and be to the best of her ability unless she can be comfortable. That's why, the bedding out of here will be nice and soft. We like to keep it nice and deep and refreshed all the time, and so that's a big part of it.
Inorganic liquid fertilizer is another useful byproduct. It's readily available for plants to use through foliar application.
This is the highest yielding corn I get to see, and I'm working with some pretty high-end, sophisticated, larger grain producers, and I'm telling you what, manure done well, it is really a bonus. You look at these hills and you think, well, this isn't really corn country, is it? And I'll show that to my flatland grain farmers, and they'll think the same thing. Well, you can't get 300 bushel corn in a hill. Well, yes, you can.
DVO digesters are Renewables at work. They deliver the best value with the highest ROI in the industry through significantly more biogas production, highest quality livestock bedding, ready-to-use liquid fertilizer that's easy to apply, unrivaled experience and expertise, and unmatched customer service.
Yeah, I first learned of DVO maybe 15 to 20 years ago. And so I know since then that they've got such a great experience, a great rate of success. And that was the reason I chose them.
To learn more about extracting the benefits from your waste stream with a DVO anaerobic digester, please reach out to DVO today.